say hi?
Hey!
Welcome back to A&A's Kitchen. Today we are going to make bread and butter pudding. The things that we need is, Arian, what is this?
But, sugar.
And you need a bit more sugar in a separate cup. And 5 eggs, some raisins, vanilla essence, and cinnamon and some butter. And we need some warm milk. Put it in.
Yes. No.
Shall I dip it in? And for the bread, you need to cut all the brown parts off the bread. Then you need to cut it into pieces and then spread some butter on top.
Butter.
First we're going to whisk the eggs and we're going to add some vanilla essence and cinnamon. Now we're going to add the sugar. That looks so bubbly. All of it? Yeah. Now we're going to put the butter into the milk and it'll melt easily because the milk is warm. Now we're going to add the milk mixture into the egg mixture. Oh my gosh.
I hear.
Now you need to get an oven-proof bowl and you have to put the bread at the bottom of the bowl. Then you're going to put the raisins once you've finished putting the bread at the bottom of the bowl. And then you're going to put your lovely mixture. Now we're going to put some raisins. Arian, here, put some raisins. Don't need them. Now we're going to pour just enough of your mixture to soak the bread. Good. Soaking the bread.
I'll put in the oven. I put the bread.
Now we're going to pour a bit more of your lovely mixture. I don't like raisins, so I'm making a separate one for me. You can sprinkle some cinnamon if you like. I'm going to sprinkle it after I finish. Now we're going to add the top of this and then we're going to add some more raisins. Now you need to let the bread soak in the mixture for half an hour and then you can pop it in the oven. Once it's ready, you can add some sugar on top and then you can eat it with custard or you can have it plain. Put some water around the baking tray so it can bake all the way everywhere. Bye.